Hi, this is just a quick unboxing of the iPhone 4. So the box is identical to that of the 3G and the 3GS, excluding the front of the box. On the side there's the Apple logo, it says iPhone 4, another Apple logo, now this is the 32GB model. The back just has some general information and other stuff that I don't care about. So the front just displays the iPhone 4. Let's open the box. So, the front of the iPhone 4, which you have probably seen before, there's the home button, which is the same as the 3G and 3GS and the iPod Touch. There's the bottom speakers and port. There's the front facing camera, the volume buttons on the side, and we'll just put the iPhone 4 on the side while we look at what's in the box. So here's the documentation. There's fingertips, SIM removal tool, some other boring information, Apple stickers. Now we get with the iPhone a USB connector, the charger, and the Apple headphones that I will not be using. Now this is just a quick unboxing. I won't be going over the details of the iPhone 4 in too much detail. So just quickly, this is what the iPhone 4 looks like. It comes with two protectors on the front and back. I'll be doing more videos about the iPhone in detail, so yeah, see you next time.